Hi everybody, I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. I'm about to barbecue. I'm gonna show y'all how I barbecue in my barbecue pit. It's an old grill, but I hope y'all like this video. And come on along. Mike the Cook, show you how to barbecue. Mike the Cook's here. We are going to barbecue today. We're gonna soak the charcoal in lighter fluid. Make sure you cover the whole thing. Let it soak about 5-10 minutes after I'm done. And we'll light it up for the fire. I'm doing a lot of stuff today. It's nice and covered and a lot of fluid. Now, I'll let it soak for 5-10 minutes and we'll come back and we'll light it up and we'll put the ribs on for 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the side, and we'll put it into the oven for 4 hours on 275. Mike the Cook's back. We're about to light it up. It's kind of windy out here. There's the fire. It's burning up. Nice and hot. There we go. Close it up. It's fire. We're gonna let it come down, then we'll put our ribs on. Alright. Got the rib. Side down like that. Side ribs, 5 minutes on one side, and we're gonna flip it over in 5 minutes. Alright, in 5 minutes, let's flip it over. Now we're gonna do 5 minutes on this side, then we're gonna bring it to the oven. Time to take them off the grill, bring them to our foil pan. Oh yeah, you can smell it. Put these ribs in the pan, just like this. Side down, we're gonna put foil on it. Knock it down like this. Bring it to a thing, 275 for about 2.5 hours. Then we'll take it out, we'll flip it over for another 2 hours. Then we'll put a barbecue sauce on it. Right in the oven, just like that. Bam. Legs on the bone. We're going to leave these on for about 45 minutes. Every 5-10 minutes, you want to turn them so they won't stick or get burnt. Like that. Come back in about 10 minutes. Alright, temperature 400. Ooh, that's hot. Let's flip these before something sticks now. Yep. Stick it. So we got 6 of them. We can smell it. Home seasoning. That's what you want. too. This is a whole grill. I have a hole right there. That's alright. Still doing the job. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Oh, 50. Oh, that's way too hot. Let's check it out. It's sticking a little bit. It's falling. It's so tender, it's falling off the bone. Flip it over. I'm pretty much doing this every 3 minutes now. It's super hot, cold, and it's really, chicken's really sticking to us. Should have sprayed some ham on it. Yeah, ham spam. But it's alright. It's cooking great. I'm going to come back in a few minutes and turn them some more. This is chicken on the bone, so it's going to take 45 minutes to cook. So I have to probably turn them every 2 minutes. And yeah, I'll come back to it. It's about a little bit over 400. It's cooking. It's smelling good. We'll flip it over again. And it's almost there, y'all. Almost. I'm bringing y'all to my barbecue. I'm glad y'all watching this video. It's cooking great. We got about another 20, 30 minutes left. Looking good. Looking good. Look at the chicken. Oh yeah, it's cooking. Looking great. Looking great. Let these cook a little longer. Then we're going to put the temperature gauge in it. And it should be looking at 165 to 169, just to be safe. And after that, we'll put the barbecue sauce on it. Yes, we're going to get a barbecue sauce while they're cooking on the pit, so the barbecue sauce can stick. Be nice and yummy. I know the video might be kind of sucky, but try my best. Alright, I'll stick the gauge in it. 181, 180. Oh yeah, it's done. It's done. Let's put the barbecue sauce on it. Barbecue sauce. Make sure you cover it. Like this. Alright, nice and coated. We're going to close it down. Say about 2 minutes. We'll flip it over. Do it on the other side. Alright, time to flip it over. Add some barbecue sauce. Like that. Now, that smells and looking good. Woohoo! Now we're going to take it off the pit. Close it down for 1 minute. Take it off the grill. It's nice and cookie chicken. The sauce in it. Let's put it over. But not pop. Now let's go get the chicken breasts and the chicken thighs. Get the chicken breasts and the chicken thighs. Oh yeah, nice and marinated, seasoned good. Chicken breast. Nice pieces. Nice. Looking good. Come back, check on it. In a while. There you go. We'll flip these over. It's been a few minutes now. And it's cooking nice and slowly. That's how we want it. You got dark meat, you got the white meat. Dark meat is the chicken thighs. The white meat is the chicken breast. And it's cooking. Looking good. All right. And it's looking good. So it's going to take less cooking than the chicken legs. So this should cook at least about 25-30 minutes. If the temperature stays where it's at 350, and it's looking great. I'll come back in a little while. Well, it's back, looking great. It's almost getting there. And we're gonna do the same thing like we did with the chicken legs. We're gonna put some barbecue sauce on it in about 15 minutes. Cooking great. I do apologize if the camera kind of shakes or it's not a good picture. I'm still working on that. But some of y'all that's watching this video, thank y'all for tuning in. And this is Mike the Cook, showing y'all how I barbecue. And I hope y'all can learn a couple steps. One day I might get me a food truck, or maybe own a little restaurant, barbecue place. You know, come out and try my barbecue. Mike the Cook. I'm still new on YouTube. I'm trying to get my name out there. I said about 15 minutes. We're gonna put barbecue sauce on it, and we'll do the last thing. Will be the hamburgers. Oh, and we got the ribs. The last thing. The ribs are in the oven, and I'm about to flip them. I'll show y'all how I do it. All right. We'll see you back in a little while. All right. Barbecue sauce and chicken breasts. Just like that. Nice and thick. I'll leave these on a little longer. Flip them over in a few. Flip these over. Put some more barbecue sauce on the other side. Like that. Nice and tender and mouth-watering good. Alright, just like that. Take them off. Bam. Flip these over. Like that. Looking great. And bam. Good. Alright, I'll come back on the barbecue sauce in a little bit. Alright, y'all. Look at it. Been in there about 2 hours now. 2 hours and 15 minutes. We're about to flip them over and put it back in there for another 2 hours. And we're gonna slash some barbecue sauce on it. Temperature is at 275. And flip it over. Side facing up. And bam. I'm slapping that 2 hours. Took the ribs out. Mike the Cook's ribs. It's all nice and marinated. They've been cooking them in there for 3 hours and 45 minutes. Now we're about to put some barbecue sauce on it. Oh, yeah. Get a whole lot of sauce on the ribs. Ribs. Baby back ribs. It's all nice and barbecued up. I'm gonna flip it over. Just like that. Just like that.
Still got another, Mike, you still got another hour to cook with that, huh?
Nope, it's all nice and done. We're gonna put in there for 10 minutes. Let the barbecue sauce thicken. It was like painting a picture. Paint. But obviously still waiting on what happens Monday night with Dallas. Oh yeah, look at ribs. That's mouth-watering good. I don't think Josh Allen could mouth-watering good. Turnovers, one fumble, just like that. 2 interceptions, and I guarantee you after the game he's going to say, I need to play better if we're going to go to the Super Bowl. Just like that. I'm going to put it in the oven, back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. Let the barbecue sauce thicken up. And guess what, y'all? That's a wrap. It's all nice and tender, I'm sure. Oh yeah, looking good. Mike the Cook knows how to do some baby back ribs in the oven. Like I said, I put on 275 for 4 hours, and boom, done. All right, let's put it back in the oven. Look at that, it's falling apart. Oh wow. Back in the oven for 10 minutes. Back in the oven, do it 10 minutes, and then boom, it's done. Mike the Cook. I hope y'all like this video. Hope y'all learned 1 or 2 things from Mike the Cook. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making a whole lot more in a few months. I'll be doing a crawfish bowl. See y'all then. God bless you. Subscribe.